Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy flowers. So let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch and form a ring. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet in the ring. Now you're just going to continue to do that. You're going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet in the ring. Like that. And you're going to continue to do that for 10 or 12 times. Okay, I've gone ahead and I made 10 loops in my circle. And that's what I have in the pink one as well. And then you can just take a button and sew that in the center. Or you could sew a group of beads together. And I just sewed them together with a needle and thread. So you could put that in the center. Or for this embellishment, I cut a circle out of white felt. And this is a button. And then I sewed a circle of just these clear beads around. And then I sewed a circle of the silver beads. So now I can attach that in the center. And there you go. There's another easy crochet flower that you can make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.